Today I will show you Lanus Triple Camera 4K Drone Review 2025. Lanus V3 Pro Drone legit or bad? Many brand-style sales pages for the Lanus Triple Camera drone paint a very impressive picture. They advertise a 4K triple lens camera with Apple ProRes support, 43 minutes of flight time per battery, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smart GPS modes, follow me, return to home waypoints, and long-range video transmission up to 15 kilometers, all while saying it's easy enough for beginners and suitable for hobbyists and creators alike. These pages often include verified customer reviews, beginner-friendly features, and satisfaction guarantees. However, there's another side to the story you should strongly consider. Independent drone scam investigations note that products promoted exactly like the Lanus drone with times high-end camera specs, advanced sensors, and long flight times have a well-documented history of being bait and switch scams. In those cases, buyers were shown sleek ads imitating premium drones but received cheap knockoffs worth far less than advertised, often with poor build quality, non-functional sensors, short battery life, and non-existent 8K or 4K performance. Many versions of these fake drones appear on wholesale sites for under $20 with no real GPS or stabilization. Reddit and hobbyist communities routinely warn that if a drone's specs look too good to be true for its price and seller profile, it probably is, especially when the brand is new or only shows up on social media ads, rather than established retail or tech review sites. These cheap clones generally lack the advanced features the marketing claims. Bottom line, the Lanus Triple Camera 4K or Lanus V3 Pro drone isn't proven to be an outright scam, but there's no independent confirmation that actual units deliver the high-end specs shown in the ads. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.